D running low. Anyway, it's karaoke night at the Apollo. We're not at the Apollo. We are at day one.
How's my hair?
Beautiful. Day one. We're gonna do some adventuring today, and Babe wants to play it by ear. We're just gonna wing it. That's crazy. She never does. Usually we're planned to death.
I like to have a plan.
Well, yeah, I understand
Gives
that,
me
but
anxiety
well,
when there's no plan.
we're
I feel like I'm gonna miss out on
we're gonna do
things.
this old school. We're just gonna find something and go do it.
Adventures.
But first off, we have to go to the Harley shop. Lost a screw in the taillight lens, so have to go pick that up. And then we're gonna go find something to do, find an adventure, and we'll take you along. And buy a T-shirt and buy souvenirs and stickers and chips. Poker chips, not potato chips.
No, I don't eat those.
I know.
We'll talk about that later.
Anyway, we'll take you along with us. See you guys there. Harley Davidson of Bowling Green. We're here. Let's go check it out. Let's go inside. Oh, what do they got? They got everything. It's a nice store. There's one right there.
Oh, yeah. I like this.
Yeah.
It's a little big.
What is it?
This is a medium. A women's medium.
Yeah.
Remember like that?
Oh. What else did you find? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hang that out there like that, yeah. Need to find your right size, though. Yeah.
Also nice.
We're not at the Apollo. I'm gonna get this one here.
Finally, one in your size.
Alright, got our goodies at Bowling Green Harley Davidson. We're gonna get on the road and we're gonna find a place to go. Let's check the weather real quick and then we'll decide. Okay, so we're going to the landing point at Port Oliver or something like that?
Something like that.
Okay. Backcountry roads of Kentucky, take me home. I don't think that's how it goes.
It's not.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
What do you know?
Lots of random stuff.
Very random. Okay, get on.
Ready?
Yep.
Keep my arm closed. Sorry. Ouch.
All right.
That hurt.
You all right? I'm okay too.
Good to know.
Okay, gotta take a left out of here.
Okay. You're good. Go now.
Now this is one of the scenic rides. This is one of the scenic rides that's on brochure.
Yeah.
It listed as number 1. Maybe that's not the ranking, like it's the best ride, but
It's just the first one listed.
right. Now let's see what we got here, you know?
I thought it was interesting. You know?
Yeah, and there's
Laid
like
back.
3 or 4 stops along the way.
Yeah.
So we'll see some things, we'll do some stuff, we'll meet some people. Here's our first stop. And it's closed.
What is this? Where are we?
There's supposed to be something here, but closed. Gas only. Okay. Well, I guess we'll stop and put the next stop in.
What was this stop called?
Hold on 1 second. I'm going to leave it down here. Okay. The landing at Port Oliver.
That's not what this is called. This is Ranger Bob's Bait and Tackle.
See? That's what I put in.
Yeah. But this is Ranger Bob's Bait and Tackle.
Yeah, but look at the sign. It's the same sign, just it's not the... They must have changed. Ownership, maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. And then closed? I mean, how old is this brochure?
I don't know. I don't know, it doesn't give a date. Okay, well, let's put in the next stop. Oh, damn it. There.
Yeah, yeah.
Number 2. Paradise Point Marketplace. Nope, not Pat. Paradise Point. Well, at least we have service.
Yeah.
Okay. The fastest route is 9 minutes away. So anyway, this is the brochure we got here. Bowling Green, Kentucky is geared for cool country rides. Scenic Ride Guide. Visit Bowling Green, Kentucky. So that's, if you guys are interested, there it is. Hey, it's a nice little ride.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go to the next stop.
Okay.
It is kind of an interesting sign. Second stop, Paradise Point. Let's see what they got.
All right.
It's got everything. Makes you.
Eclipse 5:04 in the morning. The total eclipse, and experts say you should never look directly into Bonnie Tyler's big hair.
All right, we are now leaving Paradise Point. Neat little shop, I think.
Interesting place.
Yeah. All right, let's get this thing up and over. Go ahead, get on, babe.
Okay.
Take your time, no rush.
Okay, I just don't want you to fall over. Okay. I was able to keep my elbow closed. This time still hurts a little bit, but
Alright, ready? Wait by other people. Ah, it was a neat little place. I like that. And it is starting to rain a little bit, so you had to get back on the road. Get ahead of this little cloud. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Wow.
That's awesome. Okay, well, that was a quick ride to where we are. Next one is Kenny's Farmhouse Cheese. Oh, we're stopping there.
Oh, yeah.
Curds and Colby.
I'm making the cheese today. Big wheels of cheese.
You came running over. Oh, hey, baby. Hi. Hi. Hey, precious. Aww.
Yummy wings.
No veggies, no bun. All
Breakfast
the meats.
burger.
Yeah, I'm actually having cheese for the first time in a while. What flavor is on there?
It's supposed to be like the hot.
No
Very
breading
good.
or anything?
I think it's
I might
all
have to
dry
try that.
rub. Very good. Yummy.
Double dog. Pretty good.
It was very good.
Excellent.
Very happy.
Good
Belly's
stuff.
happy, yeah.
Belly's happy. Good wings. Good
Burger?
breakfast burger.
Yeah, breakfast burger.
Breakfast burger. Yeah, that was awesome.
Cute t-shirt. It's Friday.
And cold beer.
Yeah.
Let's
Great
go.
waitress.
Yeah, she was nice. I liked her.
Yes.
She's good. Oh, I want to take you up here, show you the.
They look just like our dogs.
All right, let's go.